with Abby.
Abby!
Abby.
Priscilla.
Hey, Abby.
Starting to film and stuff.
Hang on, Mr. Host. Well, you need to zip up your coat.
Oh my gosh, it is freezing.
Yeah.
It is freezing.
I am surprised
It
I
is-
am not frozen yet.
It's frozen out here. Feel.
Can you just button up your coat there? Ellie, can you hold on to the dog for a second?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, don't let her go. Alright. Just stay bold. Okay, let's go out into the open field. Bella's gonna record it so it can be our Mythbusters to put on YouTube. Okay, as soon as we get down, I will put you down. Okay.
I don't know, should I stop? Should I?
Huh?
Do it.
Hold on, or should just sit
Uh-huh. I don't know if she needs to go or not. Oh.
You want to go on the side?
Abby.
Where do you want to go?
Come on, Abby.
This way.
Abby, come on.
Let's
Come on,
go,
Abby.
Let's go check out Chenzo's toy. Abby, come on.
Walking backwards.
Well, don't pull her. She's trying to go.
Oh, sorry.
You wouldn't like it if somebody pulled you?
We are heading out to launch some rockets. Hey P, how are you doing back there?
Where is Chenzo? We'll let him try first, okay?
They come back down though, don't they? They don't stay up in space. I don't know. I think she peed right there, so I'm not. Ah, here comes Chenzo. Oh well.
Are you ready?
Abby! Oh my gosh, it is cold.
Whoa! It took off.
Oh well.
Let's go!
We can set another one up.
Valerie,
You want me to try it?
wanna take Abby?
Oh!
I need.
Yeah, just jump on it. Why don't you? That one didn't go very far. Hey, can I try one? I guess I'll get this one too. This is right here. And now, this is over there. Ha I got it before you did. Now I'm gonna try one, okay?
Be careful, Bella, just because you're a little older.
Okay. That's pretty cool. I still got 2 more left.
Hey, look, there's Popo.
Okay. One more.
Popo, how the rocket goes off. That's a good lift. Okay, now remember, for maximum pressure.
Hey, Popo. 2 and 3. Freezing my ass off. You ready to try it, Pia?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Jump on it.
Here, just let it. Hang on, let it. There you go.
I should have brought
Now
muffins.
it's ready.
Not muffins, mittens.
And then you gotta hop with both feet. Jump on it. There you go. Good job.
Alright, another one.
It's gone. It's gone.
Y'all saw that, right? That was awesome. Ugh. My hands are becoming really numb. Oh, well. That one was a good one, Chenso. Raffazilla! It is my turn.
I'm not ready to get them anymore. My foot really hurts. I got it.
Okay, Pia. Last one, then it's your turn. Okay. I'm gonna do something crazy, guys. Oh, that sucks! Okay, let's try this again.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Abby! You guys saw that one, right?
Abby! Come here.
Okay,
All right.
Bobo.
Bye, Papa.
Abby. Kiss.
No. Drop it. Go.
Where's the other one? Where's the other rocket? I got one. Okay.
Fail.
That wasn't fair.
There's supposed to be 3. Okay, here's one.